Oh my god, free Robux. I need to see it. Let's go.
I'm gonna get it before you.
Oh no, I have to get that Robux. Subscribe to help. Yay.
Haha. What's this?
Haha, get scammed.
No, now I'm an ugly bacon.
The story of how I eat 100 subs. It was a normal morning. I saw an Subway ad. About a foot-long sub. It looked so good that I went to Subway.
And I went in my car.
I'm at Subway. I ordered 100 subs. It cost me $426. Money. So I went home. I eat all in one bite. I was so fat I exploded.
Woo!
Oh my god, I need that.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna ban him.
That is big.
I'm gonna come.
Oh no, I have go up now. Subscribe to help. No, wait, I'm fast now. No way, the hammer.
Oh no, you have the ban hammer.
Should I ban him?
Me and my friend made this trend.
Who has the most Roblox?
I think this is pretty obvious.
Okay, next one.
Who is the prettiest?
This is obvious. It's me.
I don't agree.
Who is the smartest?
I
No,
am.
I am smarter than you, noob.
I guess both of them.
Who are you calling noob? You're the noob, not me.
Who is better at editing?
I'm the king at editing.
No, you're not.
Who loves your fans?
Both of us. Bye guys. Tie for watching.
Bye. Hello guys. Today, I will betray family and friends. Now,
What am I doing here?
Being.
What? No! I'm not dying.
Mom, 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 mom. Look at the hamsters. Cute. Can I get a hamster? Please, 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 please. Yeah, I know you said yes. Yay, I'm at the pet store.
hello guys. 1000 special. For every sub I get, I will scream help on every live stream. Until I get 2000 subs.
Today I will betray my friends and family. Let's go. Ha ha ha.
Best games to play when you're bored. Okay, let's dive into this video. So what you want to do is go on Google and search up guess the line. So let's do it right here. Guess the line. Okay, now when you're done with that, so you'll hear was guess the line. So now I don't really know how to play it. I just searched up fun games to play. It's guess the line. I played it. I'll play it after I'm done editing the video. Okay, now next up is now.fun. That one has infinite craft. You have space elevator, the password game, asteroid launchers, draw a perfect circle. Okay, it has a bunch of mini games you would like to play.
Today I will betray my friends and family. But Mr. Beast version.
What am I doing here?
Lava or water? Which one?
This is super hard. Lava is super cool. He LP.